Alright, this is if you've seen my other video, this is a Hoover Elite, and they still make these. The Hoover Elite has actually always been out on the market. They've just updated the models and have always sold it. This is their newest. It's bagless, yes. And it has a HEPA filter. It's got the cord rewind, pet hairbrush, all the normal stuff. But the one horrible thing is, as you can tell, it's now winter, and static cling gets horrible. This has such bad static cling, it's not even funny. Normally in the summer, when it's not a problem, you will not see anything. All the cat hair will go down here. In the winter, it'll all get stuck up here, and you have to take the top off and basically clean it out with your fingers. And here is one of our cats. His name's Sprite. And, well, I'll show you how this works. And yes, here is the cord rewind. The funny thing is, if you've ever used one of the older runabouts or elites, you know their cords are only 24 feet long, which is very short. They have continued that legacy with, well, their newest elite, because it's only 24 feet. But when you consider it has to rewind back onto a cord reel, then yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, and now that was a relatively quick vacuuming, and I want to show you. I'll get it in the light good. That's what I got after those, I think that was like 2 or 3 minutes. Well, 2 to 5. And as you can see, there's that static cling. I don't know if you can hear it zapping, but it does pick up a lot. It has really good suction through the hose. And one tip, if you do buy this, take your old vacuum's hose, put the crevice tool on the end, and use it to clean out the filter, because then you will not have to bang it against something. And Hoover considers their HEPA, which what a lot of idiots think, the HEPA they think is right in the canister, which they're wrong. The HEPA is on your exhaust. It is on every vacuum, except for some of the cheaper Dirt Devils, like the $54 Envision. That has it. Yes, it does have it in the dust cup. But as you can see, it says lifetime HEPA. Hoover does not even make these. They make them, put them in the vacuums, and that's it. So you have to be very careful with what you do with these. You cannot wash these, just bang them out. And this you cannot wash either. A lot of people wash them, and these are the only filters that you can actually buy for this. And so you got to be careful with that. But it is a great vacuum. And yes, it's made in China. I know some people like TTUE 2006 would say, that's ridiculous, it's Chinese, because he only has one vacuum that is Chinese made, and that is it. But all in all, if you need a new vacuum, I would say get this thing.